Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a feature in Windows 11 called Project to this PC and just highlight a little bit about it. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by right-clicking on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. You want to select the System on the left side, and then scroll down and select Projecting to this PC on the right. So at this point, you'd see you have a lot of different options here. So assuming you were able to project to this computer, it says that some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's okay. And you'll have different options such as always off or always on, as well as asking to project to this PC every time a connection is requested. And you may also require a special PIN if you want to pair that device. So pretty straightforward. It gives you the PC name as well, so when you're connecting to the projector, it should be able to pick up the name here. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.